Hey guys! Today we're going to see how to connect Google Sheets with Zoho CRM using Integrately, keeping your leads and customer records always up to date without manual effort. First, head over to Integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To begin, select Google Sheets as your first application. Next, search for and select Zoho CRM as your second application. From the list of available automations, choose the one that creates a Google Sheets row whenever a new Zoho CRM contact is added, and click Activate. You'll first be prompted to connect your Zoho CRM account by selecting your domain and signing in. Next, connect your Google Sheets account, grant the required permissions, and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet to use. In the Automation Builder, you can customize the workflow. For this setup, we'll map the person ID from Zoho CRM to search within a specific column of your Google Sheet. Once everything is mapped, run a quick test and turn on the automation. And that's it. We just learned how to connect Google Sheets with Zoho CRM using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details.